I was so hungry that I was finna eat a moose. So I had to stop at the first place I saw and get this chicken sandwich from Popeye. It's good. I'm so tired of people playing with me about my mayo. I asked for extra mayo, and this is clearly not extra mayo. Like, ugh. Extra will be dripping. It ain't dripping, which let me know it ain't wet enough.
Okay, everybody in this room is pissed off. Limits to what I can do, especially with her being here. I'm so tired.
Nothing wrong. It's your birthday. Be happy.
I was.
Miss Bass, get out my video. Just playing. I love my people, y'all. She don't take me for real. She know I'm not mean. But she do say I'm mean all the time, which I don't know how, because I'm never mean to her, but don't play with me. You don't have to see the mean side of me.
Yes, ma'am.
It's bread fire. Okay, look what the wind and blowing you. Slamming that dough like that. Pickle fire. I ain't eating nothing else today. Breakfast, I had some baked chicken with some broccoli and rice. And this is it. I'm not eating nothing else today. And I'm gonna drink this like it's a Dr. Pepper, a Thunder.
Oh, D, come on.